Attached decks extend outdoor living space to provide a place for entertaining and relaxation. However, they are often built with combustible materials such as wood or wood plastic composites, have combustible items stored on top of or beneath them, and are frequently surrounded by vegetation. IBHS research shows that decks are vulnerable to two primary types of ignition, from ember exposure above a deck or from flame exposure beneath a deck. When embers land on top of a deck, they can accumulate where the home and the deck meet against furniture or other combustible items stored on a deck. Embers can also get trapped in gaps between deck boards and lodge where deck boards sit on floor joists. Beneath a deck, ignition of vegetation, combustible stored items such as firewood, or wood posts can lead to flame exposure. Lattice, which is often installed along the bottom edge of a deck's framing and against vertical posts, can act as a ladder for flames to reach the deck's wood substructure, leading to a high-intensity fire next to the home. To address a deck's vulnerability to wildfire, they must be treated as part of the home. This means surrounding the deck with a 0 to 5 foot non-combustible zone completely free of combustible items. Limit items on a deck's walking surface. Replace wicker or wood-framed furniture with non-combustible framed alternatives. A few easily moved combustible items like chair cushions, umbrellas, doormats, gas grills, or up to 10 non-combustible pots must be relocated indoors or 30 feet away from the home during red flag warnings or extended absences. Beneath a deck, keep the area free of vegetation, mulch, and stored items. If the deck is 4 feet or less from the ground, install 1/8 inch metal mesh around the perimeter to keep out debris and embers. Covered porches and pergolas also require attention. For a covered porch, roofs must use Class A material like asphalt shingles, tile, or metal. Combustible posts that support overhead structures need 6 inches of non-combustible material at their base, such as metal flashing or fiber cement board. For attached wall-mounted pergolas made of wood or plastic, limit roof slats to 15% coverage or about a foot of spacing between 2x slats to reduce fuel next to the home. Non-combustible pergolas have no setback requirements, but detached freestanding combustible pergolas must be placed at least 10 feet from the home.